If you're a science enthusiast, you need to know this fun fact about sneezes. It might just blow your mind. When you sneeze, it's not just a tiny explosion of air. It's a high-speed marvel. A sneeze can travel over 100 miles per hour. That's like a car zooming down the highway. And get this, it can send out up to 100,000 droplets. Imagine a mini storm brewing right in front of your face. These droplets can spread germs far and wide, which is why covering your mouth is super important. So next time you feel that tickle in your nose, remember, you're about to unleash a high-speed, germ-filled blast. Stay curious, stay healthy, and cover that sneeze. Like and subscribe for more mind-blowing science facts.